Thanks for joining us today at Island Ford Superstore, located on Norcross Road in Duncan, BC, off the Trans-Canada Highway. We're in the Cowichan Valley on Vancouver Island, and you can visit us online at islandford.ca for more information and a full description of this vehicle. Today we're looking at a 2020 Escape SE in magnetic grey. It has grey cloth interior with the flock geometric design, seating for 4 doors and a hatch, with a 1.5 liter EcoBoost engine, and it's an all-wheel drive. It also has a reverse camera system and the Ford Copilot 360 Assist, voice-activated touchscreen navigation, as well as adaptive cruise control. It's really easy to get into this vehicle. Just talk to our sales team. They'd be happy to take you out on a test drive, and you can book that online at islandford.ca. Storage and speaker in the door, as well as power locks, windows, and mirrors. The driver's seat is powered with lumbar. Your lighting controls are located here, and the steering wheel can tilt and telescope. On the face of it is your adaptive cruise control with stop and go. You also have your menu for the dash, hands-free dialing, and this is a push start. So my foot's on the brake, keys in the pocket, and we're going to push the engine start stop button. On your dash, any important messages will appear, as well as your menu. And you can toggle through different options. There's trip 1, and then we have My View, Driver Assist, Navigation, Sirius XM, so that's your media choices, phone, information, and back around again. In the center we have our display screen, and it's just loading right at the moment. And there you go. We can go into our sources. This is a touch screen, so we have AM, FM, Sirius satellite radio, Bluetooth. As well, we've got the navigation map that'll come up. And when we put the vehicle in reverse, we're going to see our backup camera view. And there we go. We can also go into our settings and slide through for different options: Wi-Fi, 911 assist, automatic updates, and there's your navigation again. Volume and tuner. There's your hazard lights, and down below we have the fan. You're seeing the digital readout, as well as your front and rear defrost, heated seats for both driver and passenger, as well as AC and max AC. Down below is a USB and USB-C and a 12 volt. You have a dial shifter, electronic parking brake, auto hold, so if you're on an incline or towing, this will keep you in place. And there's your different drive modes. As you press on that, it'll appear on the dash. So there's normal, eco, sport, slippery, snow, sand, and back around again. And auto stop start for less idle time. You have a couple of cup holders. Your armrest opens up, lots of room in there. And there's my jacket in the way. And then off to the side is your glove compartment. Up above you have a manually dimming rear view mirror, lighting controls. There's also a sunglass holder and grab handle in the body, making it easier to get in. 17-inch wheels, body colored door handle with intelligent access. So when the fob's in close proximity, you can lock and unlock the doors, and you have keyless entry keypad. Driver's side, capless, easy fuel gas filler. There's a little bit of a spoiler and a windshield wiper, and your backup camera's just below the escape badge. You also have dual exhaust, and when you're ready to open up that lift gate, you simply put your hand in, and it unlatches easily with the push of a button. Lots of room back here. And you have a light off to the side. There's a 12 volt on the other side. There's also tabs and hooks to be able to tether things. And underneath you have a spare tire and your funnel for the easy fuel gas filler. Just close that right up. And then when you want to close up the hatch, simply put your hand in the latch here, pull down, and it's now securely closed. And then lock everything up and walk away, or jump in and head out on your latest adventure. Storage and speaker in the door, as well as power windows. And you're seeing that nice flock geometric design in the door. There's seating for 3 in the back with a 60-40 split. And these seats also have levers underneath so that you can slide them forwards and back. And then you want to bring the seat down, simply pull the lever, and the seat will come down. You now have access to the back cargo area. There's anchors on the back of the seat to be able to tether baby seats, and then just give the seat a push back up into the upright position. In the center, you have an armrest with a couple of cup holders. There's extra carpeted mats there, slim pockets on the back of the front seat, and in the center you have your air vents. Down below, USB and USB-C. Up above, hooks, handles, and lighting. Privacy glass in the back windows, dual power and heated side view mirrors with blind spot information system, auto high beams, halogen headlights, and so many more reasons to visit us at Island Ford Superstore, BC's #1 rated Ford dealer.